Do you feel drained every day, no matter how much coffee you're drinking? You're not the only one. I'm going to give you the top energy zappers that just might be sabotaging your day and simple ways to get that energy back. Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Her Midlife. I am Christine. I am the creator of this YouTube channel and the blog, healthyhermidlife.com. For many of us, especially those of us in midlife, it feels like our energy levels are in short supply. Between shifting hormonal levels, increased expectations at work, and family life, it's a lot to juggle, and our energy often suffers. It's no wonder we're exhausted every day. But the good news is a lot of these energy zappers can be fixed with a few little tweaks. Here are the top 5 energy zappers and how to stop them from taking over your day. Energy zapper number 1, dehydration. Did you know that even a little bit of dehydration in your body can make you feel fatigued and foggy? When your body is low on fluids, your heart has to work a little bit harder and your brain doesn't function as well. So the solution is drink more water. Aim for getting 8 glasses of water in minimum every day. And some experts say that a good rule of thumb is to take half your body weight. So that would be if you were 150 pounds, you would want to drink 75 ounces of water a day. A couple weeks ago, we featured a video here on dehydration and how to get more water in every day. Go ahead and check out that video for more tips and tricks on getting more water into your body every day.
Meal planning doesn't have to be stressful. I've created the Busy Woman's 3-step meal planning guide to help you save time, eat healthier, and make meal prep effortless. It's totally free, and it's your first step toward stress-free eating. Grab your copy now. And if you're ready for personalized coaching, I've got a few spots left in my beta coaching program. Check it out while you're there.
Energy zapper number 2, skipping meals and poor diet habits. If you are skipping meals or relying on sugar to get you through the day, your blood sugar is likely spiking up and dropping rapidly all throughout the day. And that is going to lead to a lot of fatigue. It's a cycle that's tough to break, but it's an easy fix. The solution would be to simply prioritize healthy, balanced meals. Start your day with meals that are full of healthy proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats. As an example, I also did a video on 3 high-protein vegan breakfasts that are quick to make and get you out the door in a flash. A healthy, balanced breakfast will get you enough energy to sustain you throughout the morning hours until mid-afternoon when you can recharge with a healthy, balanced lunch. Energy zapper number 3, stress overload. Stress is one of the biggest energy thieves. When you're constantly in fight or flight mode, your body is burning through energy reserves, and that leaves us feeling exhausted. So the solution would be to really prioritize de-stressing in your life and make it a priority for every day. Try things like journaling, meditating, walks, even a little bit of yoga. This is all going to help remove some of that stress in your body, drop the cortisol levels down so that you can stay calm and give you more energy to complete your day. You can even try a little short meditation at your desk at work every day. Just 5 minutes of slowing down can really help re-energize your body. Energy zapper number 4, poor sleep quality. You might be getting 7 or 8 hours of sleep every night, but is it really quality sleep? If your sleep habit is poor, you're going to likely feel drained throughout your day. Things like caffeine late in the day, blue light from screens, or even inconsistent sleep time are going to affect the quality of sleep. And let's be honest, sometimes our habits that worked perfectly fine for us before no longer work well for us now that we're in our midlife years. I used to be able to enjoy a glass of wine in my pre-menopause years right before bed, and I slept fine. Now, if I have a glass of wine right before bed, I sleep horribly. So pay attention to those type of things. Your body is trying to give you clues as to what is going to help with your sleep and what is hurting your sleep. So try to pay attention to those. And then take those cues that your body is giving you and create a bedtime routine that works for you. Try dimming your lights, putting away the screens, maybe meditating before you go to bed, or even journaling. If you are used to drinking something before you go to bed, try switching to an herbal tea like a chamomile tea to help you get a good restful night of sleep. Okay, my last energy zapper number 5 is sitting too long. Sitting for long periods of time can reduce your body's circulation, and that leads to a loss of oxygen to the muscles. This can create a natural energy decline. So the secret to this is get up and move. Try to incorporate more movement in your day. Set a timer on your phone or on your watch and get up every hour to walk around a little bit or even just to stretch. This will help boost your energy levels as well. And before we wrap up, I have 3 more tips that might boost your energy levels all day long. Tip number 1, keep your caffeine consumption to the morning hours. And then at lunchtime, let that be borderline, and moving forward from there on, no more caffeine during the day. This will help your body process all of that caffeine so that at night you are resting better. Bonus tip number 2, get some sunlight first thing in the morning if you can. If it's a bright sunny day, all you need is about 10 minutes to boost your energy levels and improve your mood for the day ahead. Bonus tip number 3 is to take 5 minutes every day to practice gratitude and intention setting. This can really help improve your mood, and when your mood is improved, you naturally have more energy. Okay, ladies, there you have it. So to recap, those 5 energy zappers are dehydration, skipping meals, too much stress, poor sleep, and sitting too much. With a few simple changes like drinking more water, getting up and moving throughout the day, limiting your caffeine intake to just the mornings, and eating a balanced diet, you will feel more energized and ready to take on the day. So which energy zapper do you struggle with the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share this video with someone that you know is also struggling with their energy levels. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help me grow and reach more amazing women just like you. Thank you for joining me. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week on Healthy Her Midlife.